This is for every talented creator out there who is still struggling to get paid consistently. It's time for some hard truth. You spend hours perfecting your setup, getting the right lighting, and capturing the perfect shot. Most creators don't fail because they're not talented. You meticulously edit your videos, believing that the highest quality content will naturally attract clients. They fail because they misunderstand the game. You send dozens of personalized pitches and DMs to brands, hoping your hard work will be seen. But all you get back is silence. Your emails go unread or are met with automated rejections. They think better videos equals more clients. You wait anxiously for replies, feeling defeated because the effort simply isn't matching the reward. But brands don't reward effort. They reward reliability and clarity. Brands need partners who solve problems and provide strategic value, not just isolated pieces of art. You can create the best content in the room and still get ignored if you don't understand what the brand actually needs. This misalignment between creative passion and market need is the recipe for burnout. And that's where most creators stay stuck, confusing creativity with value. If you are tired of this cycle, you need to shift your focus from creative output to strategic infrastructure. If you want to stop guessing and start building a real creator career, subscribe for the full blueprint.